Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss some more problems on trigonometric identities. Although we have discussed some problems in the previous video, but some of the students are requesting for some more problems. So let us start this video with this question. Prove that tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. Here, how we will approach solution of this identity? Let us start with this left hand side and we'll first of all convert tan and cot in terms of sine and cos. So here this left hand side can be written as tan theta in numerator, that is sine theta by cos theta, upon 1 minus cot theta is cos theta upon sine theta, plus again this cot theta is cos theta by sine theta, and this is 1 minus tan theta means sine theta by cos theta. Let us simplify further. So here we can write numerator is sine theta by cos theta, and this denominator can be written as sine theta minus cos theta by sine theta. Similarly, we can write second term here, that is cos theta by sine theta divided by cos theta minus sine theta upon cos theta. Now, let us simplify it. This is equal to, here first term can be written as sine theta by cos theta into, this denominator will come to the numerator as you know, sine theta by sine theta minus cos theta. And similarly, next term is cos theta by sine theta into cos theta by cos theta minus sine theta, cos theta minus sine theta. Okay, we will simplify it further. This is equal to, here in the first term numerator will be sine square theta and denominator is cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta, sine theta minus cos theta. Here in place of this plus sign, we will write here minus sign, so that we could write cos theta minus sine theta as sine theta minus cos theta. That will be same as it is here. So we'll write here in numerator will be cos square theta and denominator is sine theta into sine theta minus cos theta. Clear? Now we'll have to do one more steps for getting the result. Now we'll solve this expression. So we'll take the LCM of denominators. So here LCM will be sine theta into cos theta, sine theta into cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta. And in numerator we'll get sine theta will multiply with sine square theta. So this will be sine cube theta minus cos cube theta. Correct? This cos theta has been multiplied with cos square theta. We are getting cos cube theta. Now use the formula here, a cube minus b cube, which is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Correct. So this is, now we can write sine theta minus cos theta into sine square theta plus cos square theta plus sine theta into cos theta divided by sine theta into cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta. This sine theta minus cos theta will be cancel out. You see here sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So in numerator we can write 1 plus sine theta into cos theta, and in denominator we have sine theta into cos theta. So now we can split this numerator into two parts. This will be 1 upon sine theta into cos theta and plus sine theta cos theta by sine theta cos theta, that is 1. Clear? Now we are getting the result. This one is here plus 1 by sine is cosec and 1 by cos is sec. So we are getting here sec theta into cosec theta. This is right hand side. We got the result, so it has been proved. Now let us see next question. We have to prove that 1 plus sec a upon sec a is equal to sine square a upon 1 minus cos a. Question is very simple. We will simplify left hand side and right hand side separately. Okay, so let us start with left hand side. Your left hand side is 1 plus sec a upon sec a. So you see, we can write 1 by sec a plus sec a upon sec a. 1 by sec a is cos a and sec a by sec a is 1. This is the value of left hand side, cos a plus 1. Now we will see that after solving this right hand side, we will get same result. So it will be ultimately proved. And the right hand side, let us start. So in numerator, that is sine square a. Sine square a is nothing but 1 minus cos square a by 1 minus cos a. With the help of the formula a square minus b square, this can be written as 1 plus cos a into 1 minus cos a, and denominator is already 1 minus cos a. So 1 minus cos a is being cancelled out. Finally, we are getting 1 plus cos a. So what we find here, LHS and RHS are having same values. So now here it has been proved. LHS is equal to RHS we are getting here. Very simple. Okay. Next question. We have to prove that cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosec A plus cot A. This is equal to cosec A plus cot A. And we have to solve this question. Instruction is already given here by using the result formula you can say cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. We have to use this formula. It has been instructed to use this formula when we will solve it. Correct? So, see, your left hand side is cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1. Here we will divide numerator and denominator both by sin A. So we can write cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A. Similarly, in denominator also, we'll divide this expression by sin A. So this is cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. Now we can write cos A by sin A is cot A, sin A by sin A is 1 and 1 by sin A is cosec A. Similarly, in denominator we are getting cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. And very interesting trick is here that in place of 1 you can write from here cosec square A minus cot square A. That you have to remember. So this one has to be replaced by cosec square A minus cot square A. Then we can write this is cot A minus, in place of 1, as we discussed, we are writing here cosec square A minus cot square A. And next term is plus cosec A. And we will leave denominator as it is. Cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Correct? Now we are making a group of first and last terms here. Cot A plus cosec A. Cot A plus cosec A minus, this is in the form of A square minus B square, so A plus B into A minus B. So cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A. Clear? And denominator will remain same. Cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. And you see, in these two terms, cosec A plus cot A will be common. So let us take common here. So after taking cot A plus cosec A common from these two terms, we are getting here cot A plus cosec A is common, and here we will have to write here 1 and this minus sign cosec A, and this minus cot A will become plus cot A, and here denominator is cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. You see, these two factors will be cancelled out. So we are getting the result. Finally, the required result is cosec A plus cot A that we are getting here. This is cosec A, this is cot A. This is equal to cosec A plus cot A. Proved. So students, in this way we have to try some more problems, and after doing some more practice you will have a command over this topic. This chapter is very interesting and scoring, so I hope that you will spare your time and you will do sufficient practice. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please share these videos with your friends also. They could also get benefit of it. Thank you very much.